Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Sir Mohsin. I welcome you with another lecture. Hopefully you are fine. So remember, stay at home and stay safe. So today I am going to teach you from section composition, lesson number 20, the business letter. So let's get started. The letters we write to a business firm to order goods or to seek information about its services, or to an educational institution to inquire about a course of study, are called business or formal letters. Means here it is a business letter when you are going to write someone for taking their services, means any educational institution you are going to join, or you are going to have a new course, so you will write a business letter. Such a letter is more formal in language than a friendly letter. So remember this point in your that whenever you are going to write a letter, a business letter, it should be very formal, okay, not like a friendly letter. So you need to remember these points in your mind. It should be clear, correct, and courteous. Do not ramble, but make your letter short and to the point. Okay, so you need to be very clear and correct that you are writing a letter, and that should be very clear and means cut to clear. Okay, to the point you are writing. The next, here you can see an example on your page 271. It is just an example. So whenever you write a business letter or any letter, first you need to write your address, then date, okay, on the top of your right side. Then salutation, here, dear sir, whom you are writing, the sales manager, ACME Book Company, PO Box 19, Islamabad. Okay, then dear sir, then it is just your body, means starting. Then purpose, I have read with interest the review of How to Relax by Dr. John Gray in the Daily Dawn of 15 July. So please, here at the end, please supply me the books as soon as possible, as soon as you can, and bill me accordingly. Okay, so you want some books, and then that's how you are writing. It is a business letter. For business to take some books, you need some books, you are writing a business letter. Okay, remember this. It is just an example on the page 271. So here are points to remember when writing a business letter. Number 1 point, whenever you write any business letter, so keep these points in your mind. Write your own address and the date clearly at the top of the right hand corner. So write your address and date. Remember, your address will be here and date. Next, write the name and or the title of the person you are writing to, including the address in full. Who means who you are writing? You are writing the person, so here you will write his address, okay, his name and his address, mean his post, then his address. Then third point, the usual greeting is dear sir or dear madam, but if you know the name of the person, you can write dear Mr. Salim, dear Miss Tania, dear Mrs. Shah. So means whenever you write, you know the person, you can write his or her name. But when you don't know the person, you can start with dear sir or dear madam. Next, number 4 point, arrange the contents of your message in paragraphs. So means arrange your contents in your paragraphs. Paragraph 1 means your purpose 1, 2, 3, why you are writing. Next, the closing is usually your faithfully, means whenever you close your letter, at the end you may write your faithfully, your sincerely. Okay, these are the closing notes. At the end, number 6 point, sign in full below the closing. Sign with your pen, okay, not type your sign. sign with your pen like this. Now what you have to do, you have to write a letter. So these are the exercises. Write a letter to the manager of your school bus service informing him that you need to hire the bus. State the date, time and destination of your outing. Give all necessary details. Okay, so the manager of your school bus service, you are writing him a letter that you want to hire the bus. Okay, why you are going to hire a bus, you have to give the reasons in paragraphs, and other details you may write. Number 2, write a letter to the local department authority informing them about a stray dog, cat in your neighborhood. Mean in your neighborhood you have seen many cats and dogs, they are wandering, they are straying here. So you may write to the local development authority. You may inform them that we need to be very careful from these animals. Then write a letter to a TV station seeking tickets to attend a recording of a program. Okay, so you are going to write to TV station, you want to take some tickets to attend a recording program, you would love to see any recording. Then write a letter to the manager of a department store to complain about the defective article you bought. The means here you are going to write a letter to the manager department when you bought any article, so it was very defective, so you are going to complain. Okay, mention the defect in the article and the date you bought it. Next, write a letter to a firm seeking details about its TV rental service. So you are going to write a letter to any firm, means you are going to seek its TV rental service. Okay, so your lecture ends here. Inshallah, I will meet you with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.